One and all, today I Anjali is here to discuss about the topic caste and politics. So before we start our topic, we have to discuss that what is caste. So in the ancient time there is Varna system. So Varna system is classified into four categories. First are the Brahmins, who are the priests or the persons who work in the temple. After that, Kshatriyas are there. Kshatriyas are the persons who are the warriors. After that, Vaishyas are there. Vaishyas are the persons who are the farmers or the merchants. After that, Shudras are there. Shudras are the laborers or the servants. So, in this way, Varna system is classified into four categories. So, caste system, there is no clarity between caste system and Varna system. So, to describe caste system is very difficult. So, let me talk about that from where the caste word came. In the 16th century, Portuguese came in India, and from Portuguese word casta, caste is described. Casta means no pure breed. But Dr. Ambedkar said that no caste is pure. There is an intermixing of subcaste. Means कोई भी जाति शुद्ध नहीं है. सभी कास्ट को इंटरमिक्स करके जो है एक कास्ट सिस्टम को नाम दिया गया है. So it is difficult to describe the Varna system and caste system. In India, there are more than 25,000 subcaste and 3,000 caste in India. So, in our socialist society, it is very difficult to make discrimination on the basis of the certain things, but in our country there is a socially discrimination on the basis of caste, religion, race, birth, color and many more. So in politics, caste is known as by a word mosaic. Mosaic means a viral disease. So if any viral disease came in our country, so it spread very influently. So let's we take an example. जैसे कि हमें कोई भी बीमारी हो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ़ वी आर हैविंग एन आई फ्लू, तो हम जो अदर पीपल्स के कांटेक्ट में आते हैं तो उनको भी यही बीमारी लग जाती है. एक वायरल डिसीज़ है ये जो बहुत जल्दी फैलती है. ऐसे ही जो है कास्ट सिस्टम है. कास्ट सिस्टम भी अगर एक के मन में है कि नहीं आई एम वो मेरे से लोअर सेक्शन ऑफ द सोसाइटी है और मैं उससे हाई लेवल में हूँ, तो वो जो है अपने सोशल स्टेटस को देख के उस बंदे के साथ बिहेवियर करते हैं, उस बंदे के साथ इंटरेक्शन करते हैं. तो कास्ट इज अ फैक्टर विच इन्फ्लुएंस आवर पॉलिटिक्स, आवर नेचर, आवर बिहेवियर एंड मैनी मोर. सो let's we know about that in our politics how caste is influenced our constituents assembly and our constitution also. So caste has influenced the policy making of government. ठीक है, जो गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज बनाती है या कोई भी जो प्रोग्राम्स बनाती है या कोई भी इम्प्लीमेंटेशन करती है, तो कास्ट उसमें एक बहुत बड़ा फैक्टर है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि जो अदर बैकवर्ड क्लासेस हैं या जो ओबीसीज हैं, एसटीज हैं, एससीज हैं, उनके लिए जो है रिजर्वेशन है. स्टडीज़ में भी है, जॉब्स में भी है, और जो बिलो पॉवर्टी लाइन है उनमें भी, जैसे फूड ग्रेन्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने में, और दे आर हैविंग मेनी मोर. सो इट अफेक्ट्स आवर पॉलिटिक्स in a very bad manner. So caste plays a very important role in elections also. For example कि अगर हमारी कास्ट से कोई भी अगर रिलेटेड पर्सन खड़ा होता है तो ऑब्वियसली हम उसी को वोट करेंगे क्योंकि ही और शी बिलोंग्स टू आवर कास्ट. लेकिन हम उस इंसान के वर्क को नहीं देखते हैं कि वो उसने क्या पॉलिसीज हैं, उसके क्या प्रोग्राम्स हैं, क्या वो करना चाहता है और हमारे देश के लिए या हमारे लिए, हमारे वेलफेयर के लिए. नो, she or he only belongs to our caste, that's why we cast our vote to that person. So caste is a very important factor which plays an essential role in elections also, and voting behavior also affects. Before we cast our vote, but in today's time we cast our vote for the caste. हम वोट को कास्ट नहीं करते, हम अपनी कास्ट को वोट करते हैं, ठीक है। एंशियंट टाइम में जो है, जो पर्सन थे या जो पीपल्स थे, वो अपनी कास्ट के लिए जो है वोट करते थे, लेकिन अब के टाइम में क्या है, हम अपनी कास्ट को वोट करते हैं, ना कि उसकी पॉलिसीज, उसके प्रोग्राम्स, उसके वेलफेयर को देख के नहीं। The representative belongs to our caste, that's why we give to that person only. So caste plays a very important role. So when green in the history also, when green revolution was started in 1965, intermediate caste का जो रोल है वो स्टार्ट हो जाता है। देयर इज अ डिक्लाइन ऑफ कांग्रेस इन 1967। आफ्टर दैट जो रीजनल पार्टीज हैं वो बनना स्टार्ट हो गई थी। तो उससे क्या है, जब रीजनल पार्टीज बनी थी तो कास्ट को जो बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस मिली थी, तो इस वजह से वो एक ऐसा फैक्टर बन गया जो हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को जो है, हमारी पॉलिसीज, हमारे प्रोग्राम्स को जो है वो इन्फ्लुएंस करता है, ठीक है। उसके बाद कास्ट जो है पॉजिटिव रोल भी प्ले करता है। जैसे रजनी कोठारी सेज दैट फॉर द सक्सेस ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी इज ओनली कास्ट। पीपल डू नॉट कास्ट देयर वोट बट दे वर कास्ट वोट। Caste groups politics as mean to secure the interest. Caste plays an important role in determining the content and direction of the processes of political socialization, political mobilization, and institutional within the framework of modern democracy. Today we have state which is free from the influence of caste. No. कोई भी ऐसा राज्य नहीं है जो कास्ट से इन्फ्लुएंस नहीं है। ऑल द स्टेट्स आर इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय द कास्ट। सो इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू डिस्क्राइब अ कास्ट सिस्टम, एंड इट ऑल्सो प्लेज एन इम्पोर्टेंट रोल, एंड इट मे बी प्लेज एन नेगेटिव रोल ऑल्सो. So to describe caste is very difficult. We can take an example in 2015 there was a violence protest in Haryana by the Jat community for the reservation of their jobs also, that why we are giving a reservation for the only backwards, or why we are giving reservation to the OBCs and STs only, why we are not giving the reservation to the Jat community. So due to that aim, the Jat community protest in Haryana, and which is very violence protest, which damages and destroys a lot of cities, and lot of persons are killed in that protest. So according to that, government also have to take some major steps, and for that by that protest, Jat community got the 10% reservation, that is our EWS, means economically weaker section. 10% reservations are given to the Jat community. For there are many cases, like in 2016 in the Gujarat there was a Patel protest also, which is for the Patel community, and it was also very violent protest. So protests are only destroy and damages our cities for getting reservation, that only OBCs and STs and SCs and other backward classes got reservation, why we are not. So it is a question that why other people do not get the so caste influenced our politics. Anywhere in the 5th and 6th schedule of our constitution, it is mentioned that to tribal peoples or SCs and STs and other backward classes, we have to give reservation. So, according to our constitution, it is mentioned in our constitutional rights. So, caste influence our politics in a very bad manner or in a very good manner. We can take an example of the current scenario also. When Narendra Modi ji announced that Citizenship Amendment Act, from that act, Muslim community striked and came on the roads, and there was a violence protest in Delhi at the Shahin Bagh. So, from the Muslim community, that they are thinking that Narendra Modi ji said that the peoples who are not the natives of this country, they are migrated from here. So it is not so there is a community protest. All right. So it also influence our politics and our constitution also. And like in today, like coronavirus was spreaded, and due to which Muslim community or the peoples who belongs to Muslim community and are suffering from the coronavirus, they are migrating from one state to another, so that all the peoples get in the range of coronavirus and they are affected also. So it is not right, because Citizenship Amendment Act was in the history also, and some amendments are given by Narendra Modi ji. So it is not an issue for the Muslim community that only Muslim community was affected. All the communities who are relating or who are living in the country are also affected. So it is not a violence protest must be by the Muslim community. So, but they do not. The Muslim community protest a lot, which is very dangerous for the peoples, and many police officers and the peoples are killed in that fort at Shahin Bagh in Delhi. So it is a very, very violence protest by a community. So here caste is described, because caste plays an important role. So caste influenced here also, a community influenced the policies and the programs of the country, of the constitution and of the government. So caste plays a very, very important role in our voting behavior and in our electorate and others. So according to our 5th and 6th schedule in our mentioned in our constitution, it is that the persons who belongs to OBCs, STs and SCs and other backward classes, they were given the reservation in the jobs, in the scholarship in the schools or the colleges, and reservation for other implementations in any word. So it is a issue that most of the communities are paying attention, that why only that persons are getting reservation, why we are not. So it is a matter, but whatever policies and programs are made by the government of India are influenced by caste. So caste plays a very, very important role. Some political parties or are in the South Indian states are based on the caste, like known anti-Brahmins political parties in Assam, Karnataka and many more. So most of the parties are made by the caste system. So caste is a very, very a mosaic in our country. So to remove that factor from our politics and to remove that caste factor from our current scenario and from our country is very, very difficult, because it influenced a lot our country and the people's Peoples also interact with other persons according to their social status and according to their influences. So it is very difficult to describe that. The caste was, caste is a self-enclosed social until which limits social introducts including messings within the peoples. So it is very difficult to describe a caste. Caste is a factor which influenced our politics and which influenced our regional states also and regional peoples also. So we have to make understood think that a caste doesn't means that influenced by the politics. Caste is not influenced by the politics. Politics is influenced by the caste. So to remove this factor and to remove, we have to remove the caste word from our minds, so that we can remove the caste system or the mindset of the people related to caste. We can change. First of all, we have to change our minds, our mind setups from caste to a normal way, so that we can remove the word caste from our society. So we have to do not discriminate on the basis of caste among the other peoples, like the people who belong to lower section of the society. All the peoples are equal. So we have to remove this caste factor from our society. So first of all, we have to remove it from our minds. Thank you so much.